just a few of the images we've recorded. And you can see it isn't what we thought. There's been no war here, and no terraforming event. The environment is stable. It's the Pax. The G-23 Paxilon Hydrochlorate that we added to the air processors. It was supposed to calm the population, weed out aggression. Well, it works. The people here stopped fighting. And then they stopped everything else. They stopped going to work. They stopped breeding, talking, eating. There's 30 million people here, and they all just let themselves die. I have to be quick. About 0.1% of the population had the opposite reaction to the Pax. Their aggressor response increased beyond madness. They have become... well, they've killed most of us.
Reavers. They made them.